Up to this point, all of my JavaScript has been stored in a file named library.js. Your file is probably named something else. While it is fine, I want to combine my JavaScript into my new functions.js file and do some housekeeping to clean things up. Open both JavaScript files. Copy everything that currently exists in the original file and paste it into the new functions file. Return to your original file and add a comment telling yourself that it was moved to the functions file, and then save and close the original file. In the functions file, add an event listener that waits for the entire document object model to finish building in the web page before executing any JavaScript. If you already have a listener of this type, no need to add another. Inside of this listener is where we will call our JavaScript functions. Below and outside of the listener should be all of the code that was pasted. Write the name of your function to build the last modified date as a function call inside of the DOM event listener. Be sure to save your work as you go. Finally, I want to modify my small screen menu handling function. You may not need to do this, but should if you want to keep the function and the call separate. Make a copy of your navigation bar function, paste it next to itself, and comment the original out. This is our insurance in case something goes wrong. Then copy the anonymous function and the code within it. Paste it beneath where you're working and add a name to the function, making it a named function. Then copy the lines that identify the menu button in the HTML and instigates an events listener for the menu button and paste them into the DOM listener. Finally, change the click event when it happens to call your named function. In doing all of this, we are separating the function from the call. Comment out or delete whatever is left from the revision you just made to the original code. You may be wondering why our function call isn't passing anything to the function. The answer is that the event listener will do it for us. Save your work and then test the web page in the browser to make sure that the menu button continues to work with the newly revised code. When everything is done, the web page should continue to function, but the JavaScript should be a bit better in its organization and operation.